In this video, I'd like to talk about Travis Vanderzanden, the CEO of the Bird electric scooters. I know what you all are thinking, why is he talking about the Bird electric scooters again? And the Bird electric scooters is actually an idea that I think is on the idea of a huge idea. And if you use the Bird's app, there'll be like, people will just rent scooters, and then it shows everywhere all over the city where their scooters are at, where somebody can just go grab one real quick and then rent it for $1 and then 15 cents a mile, and then take it around, travel around the beach, and then park it somewhere else, and it's got GPS on it so that people will know where it's at. Well, my idea is, I think that Travis Vanderzanden, he is the ex-executive of Lyft, Uber, etc. And he started this company, moved down here. And what I think is, I'm seeing something way huger than that. Cars, just people will be able to share their cars, and they'll just like park them anywhere they want. They'll be anywhere. Somebody will just be out in the middle of nowhere walking around. They'll get on their app and they'll see a car just right down the street. They'll be able to go to it, and they'll have a code and be able to get into the car and then take it and then drive it somewhere and then park it again. And the cars, it'll be like a new style way of renting a car. Instead of just going to the rental place, they'll be parked all over the place, and it'll just be a map. Anyway, that's my idea of what Travis Vanderzanden is up to.